In this video, I'll guide you through how to close a Trading 212 account. Whether you've decided to take a break from trading or you're switching to another platform, closing your account is a straightforward process. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to access your Trading 212 account. You have two options here. You can either open the Trading 212 app on your mobile device, or you can log in through the web platform on your computer. Whichever method you choose, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, you'll be ready to proceed to the next steps. Now that you're logged in, look for the menu icon, which resembles three horizontal lines. This is commonly referred to as the hamburger icon. Tap on it to open the menu. This will give you access to a range of options and settings within your account. After you've opened the menu, scroll down and tap on the Settings option. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your Trading 212 account. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to locate My Account. Tap on My Account and then proceed by selecting Account Details. This is where you'll find the option to close your account. Now you should see the Close Account option. Selecting this will initiate the account closure process. Trading 212 has made this process quite user-friendly, but it's important to follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These instructions will guide you through confirming your account closure request. Make sure you've resolved any pending transactions or concerns with your account before proceeding, as this will ensure a smooth closure process. Once you've confirmed the request, your account closure will be in motion. It's worth noting that account closure might not be immediate, as there may be a brief processing period. You might want to check your email for any confirmation messages or additional instructions from Trading 212 regarding the closure. And that's how you close a Trading 212 account. It's as simple as that. Remember, if you ever decide to return to Trading 212 in the future, you'll likely need to create a new account from scratch, so make sure this decision is final. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your financial accounts. Thank you for watching and have a great day.